Hey guys, this is Blakeney Rapids. It's just outside of Almonte here in Ontario, and this was September 14th. A lot of the color had fallen off the trees by now, but a lot of yellows and golds were hanging on. Come here a few times in the past, and the water's always been higher than this, so it was nice change to get down a little closer and get a better angle looking upstream, downstream, rather than just kind of lateral sideway views. Yeah, I was trying to get rid of some of the foam here, add some leaves in place of it, but I ended up moving my camera back. Couldn't see that pocket. But as you'll see in the image, there is some foam in the foreground, and I kind of like it. Little cascade. Up at the top there, you can see some bare branches. Be nice to have some red leaves hanging on there to frame it. Maybe it would add too much though. And these overhanging branches were giving me a bit of a time. I really wanted to shoot downstream here, but couldn't quite figure it out. I ended up moving downstream about 20 meters, still looking in the same direction, but eliminating the overhead branches. And although I'm showing a landscape orientation there, got this nice moss in a portrait orientation. And what I'm working on here is a sweeping panorama. It's got 5 stages left to right. See me rotate it here, and each stage I took 3 shots to get detail out of the shadows and highlights, and then blended in post. And the resolution on this came to just shy of 60 million pixels. A lot of detail in here, very sharp. And the second half of this video picks up 3 days after this for a really nice morning. We're starting to come out of blue hour here. I was getting excited at the possibility of some nice sun rays coming through the trees and the mist. It hadn't quite come up high enough yet, so in the meantime I set up here for a similar panorama as yesterday, or the previous day. Having a heck of a time setting up my tripod here. And no, I couldn't move onto that flat rock. I was pretty set on having it at this height and this exact square centimeter of real estate. Can't get comfortable either. And the resolution on this is similar, right around 60 million pixels. Lots of detail, right down to the wasp nest on the other side. Off we go to get some sun rays. Coming up quick now. So I'd gotten everything I came for, but I did get out the telephoto lens just to see if I could pick off certain little spots of sun rays coming in the mist. And I came away with one just as a little parting gift from Blakeney Rapids.